I'm Col Ravie Menon, aged 61 years. I was in the army for 22 years in the Corps of Signals and took premature retirement and spent another 12 to 15 years in the IT industry here in Bangalore. Now I'm a full-time consultant, technology consultant and trader in the stock markets. Totally by chance actually. I was toying with the idea of building a home, talked to a couple of architects and all that, and saw an ad somewhere online, and we had been to Garuda Mall, and then it struck me that the place is close by, Brick&Bolt Technologies. So we just decided to drop in, and the sales team, we had a lengthy talk with the sales team, and we were totally convinced and happy that we went in. We booked the house straight away, then and there. They'd asked us for the initial requirements and all that, and then I was very clear on what I wanted, and my focus was on functional convenience and the energy flow, so Vastu especially. So that part I had to pitch in myself. So I had made a rough sketch and given it to the architect, and she put it into the computer, and very responsive. We went through almost 11 iterations before we finalized the plan. And then based on the plan, there's a tech-enabled construction, so they had a complete BOQ ready, and then we discussed the extras on that, and finally arrived at the contract. And if the contract is clear, then the aim is clear right from the beginning, then everything goes smoothly. But initially there was another project manager, and then in between I had some issues with the contractor and all that. The team stepped in. I escalated the problem, even his boss Muthu, they all stepped in, and we had a meeting, and it was very positive. And after that there's been never a problem, went through like a breeze. Oh, extremely happy. I got the house I wanted. Like, you see, at this age to build a house, people said that okay, you're in for a lot of stress and strain, and you're going to overshoot budget, shadi or ghar, dono cheez mein budget. But I'm happy to say that I stuck to my budget. It's exceeded a little bit in time, but that was understandable. And all the ideas that I had in mind have materialized. So what's there not to like? I am perfectly happy with this. Firstly, you have a wide choice of packages. So I chose premium because I wanted wooden doors and windows. So there now wood also comes in different ranges. So I had to go for a little extra there, but that's all right. The flexibility is there that if you don't like the package material, you can pay extra and go for additional stuff. Certainly. Why not? It's peace of mind delivered. I mean, building a house is a stressful thing, and you need, there's a vast range of prices and quality out there. Just for example, I was looking for cladding, the same cladding which is available for 400-500 bucks in one store, I got it for 100 rupees. So that is the difference. So if you look for it and you don't know what, as when it comes to building materials, if you're not savvy about it, you don't know what you're getting into. That is where Brick&Bolt comes in. The site engineers have done a good job, got timely feedback, with updates on the mobile. So all these things meant lesser stress, with greater transparency, and good quality, assured quality. You need to be more interactive with the client. So you're doing a good job, but people have to know that you're doing that, and talking about it matters. So that's about all. Otherwise, I'm very happy with this.